Meanwhile, you also got the Central Bureau of Investigation in its application to the Supreme Court alleging that the Mamta government was involved in the Sharda chit fund scam. CBI has alleged that 6.21 crore rupees was from the Chief Minister Relief Fund and it was given to Tara TV, a Sharda group firm which was used to pay employees' salaries. Anisha Mathur and Indrajit Kundu get you more.
The Sarada scam has once again come to haunt the TMC. The CBI has filed a plea in the Sarada chit fund scam before Supreme Court, seeking to link it with the Chief Minister Relief Fund. CBI claims 6.21 crore rupees from the CM Relief Fund was given to Tara TV, a Sarada group firm which was used to pay the salaries of its employees. The CBI has alleged the conspiracy to divert funds was plotted by high-level state authorities. On Sunday, the CBI moved the top court, seeking arrest of former Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar in connection with Sarada chit fund scam. The IPS officer is seen to be close to Mamta. The CBI said Kumar was not cooperating in the probe and his custodial interrogation is necessary to unearth what the agency called a larger nexus in the scam. The TMC government has rubbished these claims.
Rajiv Kumar is helping and he is ready to help all out. So for our government concern, we gave directives to him that you help all out help to CBI. When and where necessary.
আমার মনে হয় সিবিআইয়ের যে তদন্ত রিপোর্ট জমা পড়েছে তার মধ্যে বহু লোকের যে ইন্টারভিউ সাক্ষাৎকার হয়েছে তার তথ্য আছে আর স্বাভাবিকভাবে তার উপরে বেস করেই এখন আগামী দিনের কার্যসূচি হবে তো আমার মনে হয় সবে শুরু হয়েছে এর থেকে আরও কিছু দেখা যাবে
With the CBI probe into the Sharda scam suddenly picking up pace right ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections, the ruling Trinamool Congress has alleged that this is on expected lines and that various central agencies will once again go on an overdrive in the state in the run-up to the state elections.
The alleged scam was unearthed in 2013 when Sarada group of companies was said to have duped lakhs of people of 2,500 crore rupees, promising them high rates of return on their investments. Kumar was part of the SIT set up by the Mamta government to probe the case before the Supreme Court handed it to the CBI in 2014.
With the CBI now moving the apex court, asking for custodial interrogation of former Kolkata Police Chief Rajiv Kumar and alleging that the police officials involved in the SIT for the probe were deliberately evading questions of the CBI and refusing, even after court orders, to release the information and the evidence that had been collected by them. With the Supreme Court closed for winter vacation, the matter is likely to be heard in the first week of January.
In February last year, the centre and the Bengal government were locked in a massive standoff after Kolkata police detained the CBI team that reached Kumar's residence to question him. With Anisha Mathur in Delhi, Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.